ATEC 64 gigabits DDR5 5600 MHz turned my gaming laptop into a war crime against physics. Your laptop cost more than a used car, but still freezes when you sneeze near Chrome. You've paid for a rocket ship and got a minivan with anxiety issues. The fans scream, the cursor spins, and you just sit there wondering why your premium machine hates you. Type "I'm done" in the comments if you're one refresh away from throwing it out the window. Boss breathing down your neck, render bar mocking you at 3%, battery dying because the system is thrashing itself to death. You've become a professional tab closer, and it's humiliating. Picture this instead. One upgrade so savage your laptop finally shuts up, grows a pair, and starts working with you instead of staging a daily mutiny. Meet the ATEC 64 GB kit. 2 × 32 GB, DDR5 5600 MHz, PC5 44800 CL46 SODIMM. The nuclear option disguised as boring black sticks. Full specs that make grown engineers weak. True 5600 MT per second, CL46 to 45 to 4590 timings, 2R/8 dual rank, 1.1 volt ultra efficient, genuine Micron, Samsung or Hynix ICs, GDIC standard plug and play, non-ECC unbuffered, 262 pin perfection, 0 RGB, 0 XMP begging, 0 nonsense. Lisa went from tears in DaVinci Resolve to laughing while scrubbing 8K RAW like it's TikTok. Marco now runs 12 Docker containers plus WSL2 plus 3 IDEs, and his fans forgot they exist. The hidden cheat code? Most 2023 to 2025 DDR5 laptops, Legion, Zephyrus, XPS, ThinkPad framework, CV sticks, and instantly unlock full 5600 MHz without you lifting a finger in BIOS. That's it. That's the entire cheat menu. Here's where it gets deliciously evil. Independent testers hammered this exact ATEC kit for 72 straight hours. 0 errors. Temps never broke 48 degrees Celsius. Bandwidth and latency within 1% of Corsair Vengeance and Kingston Fury kits that cost double. A YouTuber with 500,000 subs installed it in a Legion Pro 7i, ROG Strix, and MSI Titan. All three woke up screaming 64 gigabytes at 5600 MHz like they'd been possessed by a desktop demon. One analyst flat out said, "It's the same silicon, just without the gamer tax. Anyone paying more is getting robbed." Real humans. Julia dropped her Premiere render times by 42%. Alex went from 16 gigabytes of pain to running Unreal Engine 5 plus Substance Painter plus 120 Chrome tabs without a single hiccup. Someone in the comments last week said his Dell XPS finally stopped acting like a $600 Chromebook. Which crime scene hits closest to home for you? The endless swapping, the beach balling, or the fans sounding like a jet engine? Tell me your worst war story below, and watch me reply with the exact moment this kit ends your suffering. These ATEC 64 gigabyte kits are disappearing faster than laptop makers want you to notice. Thousands have already crossed over to the dark side, where stuttering is a hate crime. Don't wake up tomorrow still closing tabs like a peasant. Click the link right now. Claim yours before the next wave of smart people wipes them out, and install the upgrade that turns your laptop from drama queen to absolute menace. Comment "Send it" when you pull the trigger. I'll be here cheering when your machine finally bows down and calls you boss.